Huh? 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 Mbappe? Wait, that looks like an older version of Mbappe. It looks like an older version of Mbappe. That is his step cousin. Whoa, 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 whoa. French striker. Van Persie, a striker from French. Van Persie. Oh, Mbappe. Upamecano. I know. Play a game? Ronaldo. There's no way. Ronaldo uncle. Luis Figo. France. CDM. Arsenal. Is that Pogba? Oh hell! Oh my gosh! 110. 110. How is that even possible? How is that even possible?